No more complaints about Monday start or rainy days that test your heart. Forget the noise your neighbor makes or the comments someone posts or takes. Just focus on what brings you joy. Life is not a game, but enjoy. Some things stay, some fade away. So live fully, seize the day. Alex Aquino.
Well, you gotta work off something.
Them open? Hey, Harvey.
Hurry.
Today is not only the 4th of July, today is also the day that we were supposed to have a band booking gig somewhere to play music, but unfortunately we had to cancel. The new guy that joined the band wasn't able to make it for certain reasons, but I think I already showed you guys on this video where I was at yesterday. Crystal Speedway, Motorway, whatever you want to call it. But I had so much fun. I was working concession stand, so I got to see the cars weighing in and lining up to get ready to go on the track. That's basically right where the concession stand was. So I had a lot of fun working with a couple of my friends there, and it wasn't too awful late once we got done. But I am excited to be able to do it again on a weekend that I'm not booked with the band. But I wanted to bring you guys out to the garden today. It's been a few days, so show you what's happening. We got lots of growth going on. First box, massive. Look, it is just about as tall as I am. Crazy. So we have new growth with the tomatoes. These are my super sweet 100s. These are brand new. They weren't out here when I came out here last. The other tomatoes that were growing are still growing, getting bigger and bigger. Here pretty soon they will be turning colors. They look like tiny watermelons, but they're pretty darn big. Every plant in this box right here has tomatoes growing on it. Cucumbers, they are sprouting right up. Well, not sprouting, climbing right up the fence that I put them on. Tons and tons of flowers. Every plant is full of flowers, no matter how big or how small they are. They all have flowers. Over here with my Brussels sprouts, look how many more leaves I have. They're all starting to curl. Cabbage is doing great, getting more leaves on those as well, and they're standing tall. Broccoli, bigger, taller. Acorn squash. Tons and tons more flowers down in there and on top. And then we've got the cantaloupe and the watermelon. They're growing very, very well now. And my tulips, the stalks look crazy because the bugs are getting to them, but the flowers are still growing, so that's a plus. Some watermelon there and here as well. Over here. And then when I come over here, they're much taller. All right, in this box, I do believe I have some cherry, large red cherry tomatoes up in here. And I thought I seen some in here growing. I'm not sure. It's crazy because it's like I see them growing and then all of a sudden I don't see them anymore. Everything's all green right now. Oh, right here's some new growth. Peppers. Peppers are doing amazing. Look at this one. Holy cow. We got some peppers coming in on this plant right here. Back here. Some more flowers up top. Giant peppers. Well, they're not giant yet. They're little giants. Oh, and then you get all my hot peppers. Look at this. 1 plant. 2 plants. Look at all them peppers in there. So many peppers. 3 plants. Every one of my pepper plants have peppers. Look at this big old one right here. And an even bigger one, which I do believe was the first one that started growing. These are the serranos. I got these little red bugs everywhere. And then look at these. Holy cow. Huge. Just about ready. And then, black cherry plant. Black cherry tomatoes. Some more right here. Then my big boy tomato is growing huge. Have more over here. Just food everywhere in this garden now. Everywhere. These plants are getting very, very tall. Everything is so healthy. Look at my strawberries now that I've put this over the top. They are huge now compared to what they have been. Got a little flower in there. Onions are doing amazing as well. Oh, rose bush. Anyway, onions doing great. And then over here to the Romas. I am getting so many Romas right now. Look at this. They're all hidden in there, inside. Romas love sun, but they also like shade too. Look at this big one over here. Got some more. Every plant has something on them. Tons and tons more flowers. And look at my summer squash here. Look at all those flowers. Squash right on the end. Squash right here on the end. Just, there's so many little baby squash in here. Flowers. Flowers galore. Same thing going on with my zucchinis. I don't have any acorn squash growing yet, but they're getting ready to. Look at this. It's just sprawling right out. You got the little vines here stretching out. I'm definitely going to try and keep it away from the fence so that nothing can grab hold of it and take it. The other cucumbers I moved are doing great as well. They're attaching themselves to the fence. Anyway, it is super hot out here. I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, look at my flowers down here. They're doing really good too. That's a plus. I'm gonna leave this little entrance open here so that I can water my garden. Not right now, it's too hot. I didn't get out here early enough to water it, but I will later on once the sun goes down or starts going down and it's not so scorching hot outside. I want to show you guys my car. What happens when you go to a dirt track. I walked out to my car last night to go home from the track and I was like, holy cow. Everybody's car there was covered in dirt. Look at that. I want to show you guys too. Oh man, look how dirty it is. I think I locked it. Nope, I didn't. I cleaned my car and got me a couple nice soft seat covers with some floor mats. Oh, it's super hot in here. Scarlett's little toys over there and an extra pack of diaper wipes, but cute little floor mats, cute little seat covers. I've got a smelly good thing in my back window just because it's an older car, but I actually put one of those 15-minute fragrance or whatever odor eater bomb things in here, and looking good. Wiped it all down, cleaned it all up. It's so comfortable when I get in here now. It's an older car, but it's my car. So, all right, I'm gonna head inside now. Scarlett's taking a nap, so I was able to get out. Jesse, my oldest, came and picked up 3 of the boys, 3 of the 4 that were here. James, Ethan, and Chaz all went with Jesse to his place to a festival. They're gonna kayak, fish, play games on the internet at his house. So gave them all a chance to get out. James don't really get out of the house much, but I'm so glad he was able to. It made me feel a little bit better to get him out of the house. But Anthony and I and Scarlett are the only ones here, so we'll see what we get ourselves into today. Forgot to show you guys the plants out front. The tulips are not doing too good, and it's because of certain bugs I have here at my house this year. And they're just eating their leaves like crazy, but they're still alive and they're still growing flowers, and that's what matters to me. My garden is absolutely beautiful. All right, I just got home a little bit ago from watching a movie with Anthony at the theater. And we went and watched the new Jurassic Park. And I just have to say, I loved it. So if you get a chance, if you like the old Jurassic Parks or any of the Jurassic Parks, I highly recommend. I loved it. So did Anthony. So when the other boys get home, I'm trying to get this closed here. When the other boys get home, I might have to try and take them to watch it because I would sit there and rewatch it again. So it said the movie started at 6:30. We got out to the car afterwards about 1 minute before 9 o'clock. So it is a very long movie, but it is well worth it. Just got done watering my garden and locked it up for the night. My plan is next year, gonna take that side of the fence and push it out more because I want a bigger garden. I think each year I'm gonna try and expand my garden. And that way I not only have food for myself, but I can give some to my family members and some friends that, you know, like their veggies. Basically whoever wants it. So, well, that is it for this video. I want to thank everybody for watching and thank you to all the new subscribers that recently subscribed to my channel. Views are doing great. Still not at that goal to where I'm able to be monetized on YouTube yet. I'm hoping and praying it happens, but it hasn't happened yet. So, but yeah, thank you for subscribing, watching, and giving me some more of your time each time you click on my video. It helps my channel grow, especially whenever you share it, comment, and like my videos. You know, some people don't watch them all the way through, and that's fine. Not my whole video is interesting to some people, but it would help me out a great deal if you guys click that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. There's many more things to come. My channel is here to stay. I'll see you on the next one. Ah, come here. Gotta stay over here.
Thing is right.
What?
The thing that the old firework thing is right there.
Oh. Yay! Drawing, baby. Are you being crazy? Man, the mosquitoes are out tonight.
Come here. Well, come on. Hey, gotta sit down.
She's like, nope, I'm not sitting down. I'm running.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
Come on.
Just sit down with her. She'll be all right. Let's see what she does. Here goes another one. Whoa! What was it?
Are you happy?
Here goes another one.
Oh no. What just happened?
No boom, it's a dud.
Till it happens later on. Oh my gosh.
Ready?
I'm scared.
Here we go. Last year she slept through them.
Oh yeah, she wasn't scared. She slept through them. I forgot about that.
The year before, she's too tiny to realize. She went like this when it hit.
Whoa.
She ducks every time it pops. Are you okay? You good?
She might be getting
Do you like it? Is it fun? Here we go. Oh my goodness.
Okay. I think she wants you, Mama.
Wait. Don't let her go.
I'm not.
Come here. Come to Mama.
Scared.
Come here. I got you. It's okay. Can you run and grab her blankie real quick, please? Wow. Do you not like it? Jeff, I don't think she likes it.
No.
She's getting scared. Boy, I got you.